Hazrat Javeriya radiyallahu anha states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, after performing the morning prayer, went out from her apartment in the morning while she was still sitting at her prayer place. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came in the forenoon while she was still sitting there. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Since I left you, you have been sitting in the same way." Hazrat Javeriya radiyallahu anha submitted, "Yes." The Prophet ﷺ said, "Since I left you, I have pronounced for such words twice as will overweight what you have read since the morning till now, if they are to be weighed against them. They are Subhanallah wa bihamdihi adada khalqihi wa rida nafsihi wa zinata arshihi wa midada kalimatihi." Translation: Glory and praise be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, equal to the number of His creatures, as much as pleases Him, equal to the weight of His throne, and equal to the ink of His words. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6851.